Hey, what's up everyone? Today is an exciting day because we're unboxing something special, the Shoei Glamster helmet. It's one of the most stylish retro helmets out there and I'm really pumped to check it out. So let's dive in. As you can see, the packaging is simple yet solid. Shoei always does a great job with keeping things minimalistic but premium. All right, let's crack this open. Inside, we're first greeted by the usual manuals and documentation, safety instructions, user guide, and of course, a little booklet about Shoei's craftsmanship. They've also included a nice Shoei helmet bag to keep your Glamster protected when you're not riding. Always good to have. And here it is, the moment we've all been waiting for, the Shoei Glamster in all its glory. Look at that. The design screams retro, but with all the modern safety features we expect from Shoei. This colour scheme, the gloss black Dave design for Mike Mark's '93 racing graphics with subtle details, is just classic. The Glamster's design really combines that vintage style with cutting-edge technology. Let's take a closer look. First, we've got the visor. It's Shoei's CPB-1V shield, and what's cool about it is how seamlessly it integrates with the retro style. The mechanism is super smooth, and the view from inside is crystal clear. Of course, it's anti-fog and anti-scratch.